Hey great tips, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever zoomed into your design and it just goes all blurry? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Pixellab designs in high resolution so they stay sharp no matter the zoom. Let's get into it. So guys, what you're gonna do after designing is that this is my recent design. So what you are going to be doing after every design, when you want to export your design, you go to image size. For the sake of this video, I'm using this YouTube thumbnail size, but it is on I changed it to 720 by 1280 width and height. So this is 720 by 1280. So what you're going to be doing is multiply this size, multiply the width by 4, multiply the height by 4. So the width is 720. So 720 multiplied by 4 is 2880. 2880. Then 1280 times 4 is 512020. Yeah, see 9 by 16 aspect ratio. When you look up, you see aspect ratio 9 by 16. So I multiplied the sizes by 4. So this is 2880 and 5120. Click OK. So click OK. Then you go to export image. See it here, 2880 by 5120 width by height. So change it to PNG and save to gallery. Save it. Save. Okay, it is saved. So let's go to my files to check the quality of the image. This is not it. Okay, see it here. So this is it. So let's zoom in. From here, you can even see the quality from here, but let's zoom in. Let us zoom in. Do you notice anything? Let us zoom in. Do you notice anything? So some of you might be thinking, why didn't I change it to Ultra and then export as PNG or JPG? So let me show you something. When I export as Ultra, it will be like this. Export image, Ultra, JPG. Let me save it as JPG. So save to gallery. It is saved. And two, you're supposed to notice something. When I saved as Ultra and JPG, it saved fast, showing you that the quality will not be that great. So let's check it. So let's zoom in. Do you notice anything? From here, you can even see the quality is not looking right. So this is when I multiplied it by 4 and changed it to PNG, this is the quality, and this is the Ultra and PNG. This is the one multiplied by 4. So let's zoom in. No? So let's zoom in. Do you notice anything? So this is it. So I suggest that after every design, you are supposed to save as PNG and multiply by 4. Thanks. And that is it. Great tips. Now you know how to export your Pixellab designs without losing quality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design tips. Drop a comment if you have got questions or suggestions. See you in the next one.